welcome to Zandrei channel's Easy. Today we'll be folding the other 3 planes like in episode 2. Okay, so now we're gonna explain the advantages and disadvantages for these planes. Okay, so for the spy plane, the advantage is that it has like very big airtime. So that's why you gotta fly it outdoors. But this one, the downside is the wings might, the fins might unfold when it goes like really hard crash. Happens to me sometimes. Okay, Uranus arc. Good thing is like it goes very fast. Okay, the bad thing is that this tip, if it crashes very hard, it's like, and it'll go that way all the time. Okay, improved dart. Advantages. It can lift up more and can resist very hard crashes, but it's just the same old dart, but improved. Yeah. Okay, we'll start with Uranus arc, which is basically the easiest. Okay, first, crease down the middle. Step 2. Get the two upper corners and then fold them to the crease, like right here. Okay, next, get these corners here, get this, and fold here to here, middle. Same with the other side. Okay. The next step, fold the tip of the triangle to the bottom. Now, flip it over. Okay, next step. So you just fold right here so you can make a triangle shape, like that. Make sure it's centered. Okay, this is a tricky part. Now, flip it over again. Get the tip, fold here, and then fold down here. So it makes some kind of diamond thing. Now, we'll make the wings. So, fold it in half. And then, you see the tip here? You fold there. So, okay, do the same thing with the other side so it lines up with the other wing. Wow, that's a thick fold. Now, open the wings up and tilt it up a little bit. There you have it, your Uranus arc. Okay, for the second plane, we're doing spy plane. Okay, step 1. Do this, put 7 times over itself. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, yeah, I think 6 is fine. 6. Yeah, that's fine. Plus, wings will be too small. Now, flip it over. Fold it in half. Okay, now let's make the wings. By the way, this is actually a really great flyer outside. It has like very high airtime. Okay, wings. So just fold about like right here. Okay, now let's make the wing fins. So, fold about a pinky's width, like right here. So, fold it up. Same with the other side. So it lines up. Now open up the wings and make sure the wing fins are sticking straight up. So it gotta be like this. And to help it fly better, tilt the wings up. Okay, let's fine tune this. There you have it, spy plane. For improving your dart, you'll need scissors. Make sure you have full adult supervision, okay? For your own safety. Okay, first, just do the first 3 steps to the Uranus arc. You already know that, right? Just crease down the middle. It helps me to like get the edges and then like line it up with your fingers. That's for you beginners. Okay. Now get the top 2 corners and then fold it to the middle. Okay, step 3. Got these. So get the sides. Fold this to the middle. Okay, this is the base for the dart. But fold here. Get the corner and fold down. It can be any, like, just be like this. Okay, like right here. Okay, now flip it over. Get these, and then fold it. And same with the other side. Wow, that tip's tough. By the way, folding down the tip helps it resist hard crashes. Okay, now fold it in half. Mountain fold, okay? Not valley fold. Make sure the wings line up. Okay, now open it. Okay, last step. Okay, just tilt on the wings first. Okay, now this is where you get to use the scissors. So, make 2 small tabs on the back of the wings. And then slightly fold them up. So, that's how I do it. Just do it for 3 seconds. Boom. 3 seconds. Boom. This will help it go up more. Okay, there you have it. Your new and improved dart. Now we're gonna test the planes for flight. And my sister's gonna help me throw. Okay, start with improved dart. Sunny, ready? Go. Wow, that's good. Okay, Uranus arc. Go. Wow. Okay, finally, spy plane. Oh, crashed. Okay then. Bye. Okay. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to Zandrei channel ZZZ.